Good morning, students. Today I will tell you the question answer of chapter number 7, English literature, the poet and the gesture. ये देखो एक्सरसाइज में क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, What did Raman want from तथाचारी? ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. तो इसका आंसर है द रामन. ये देखो लास्ट पैराग्राफ में पेज नंबर 55. रामन begged for an audience with him, and when Tathachari heard it was a famous poet, he readily agreed to see Tenali Raman. तो ये है फर्स्ट जो आंसर है, फर्स्ट जो क्वेश्चन है उसका आंसर. सेकेंड, in what way was Tathachari impressed? He was impressed because Raman read out some of his poems, or in this reason Tathachari was most impressed because what a fine way you have with words, young man. उसका जो पोएम्स का लाइन था उसको बहुत ही अच्छा लगा था, इसीलिए वो बहुत इम्प्रेस्ड हुआ. ये है आंसर नंबर 2. और 3, डिड रमन गेट ए गुड वेलकम एट तथाचारीज हाउस? इसका आंसर होगा व्हेन, पेज नंबर 57, व्हेन रमन मार्च स्ट्रेट इनटू द ग्राउंड्स ऑफ तथाचारीज हाउस, द गार्ड्स ट्राइड टू स्टॉप हिम, बट द रमन वाज सरप्राइज्ड Tathachari was surprised and annoyed to see this uninvited visitor in his house. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? Then he cried, "Guards, guards!" yelled Tathachari, "Get this man out of here!" And the guard pounced on him and pinned him on the floor. ये है नंबर 3 का आंसर. नंबर 4, how did Raman trick the magician? Answer, Raman, at first, page number 62, Raman opened the packet and the attendant had brought. He took a handful of the powder that was in it and then closed his eyes. He sprinkled the powder all over his face and eyes. Athisu, Athisu, Raman ceased loudly. Then he dusted the powder from his face with his towel and opened his eyes. Thus he did the trick with the magician. यह है नंबर 4 का आंसर. 5 का आंसर अभी इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, इसलिए मैं नहीं करा रही हूँ. उसके बाद देखो, रेफरेंस टू कॉन्सेप्ट. What a fine way you have with words, young man, he said. Who said these words and to whom? Tathachari said these words to Tenali Raman. ये है आंसर. Second question. What fine words is the speakers referring to? क्या fine word था? देखो, what a fine word you have with words, young man, he said. The fine word is their fine poems and he must come along and read them to the king. ये है इसका आंसर. उसके बाद, what does the speaker go on to say? Speaker go on to say that, continues Tathachari, and then added rather grandly and much to Raman's disappointed, and he said he will try and remember to send for him on these days. ये सब बात वो कंटिन्यू करना चाहता था. ये है आंसर सी. No hands were raised and no voices were heard. Where does this happen? This is happening at King's Court. What are the hands to be raised for? इसका आंसर है कोई भी हैंड्स नहीं उठ रहा था उसका चैलेंज एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए, और इसके लिए किंग भी बहुत लज्जित हो रहा था। और ये इसका जो आंसर है, Raman said, "Do we keep his eyes closed, and he must agree to do it with his eyes open," replied Raman. और नेक्स्ट आंसर जो है, व्हाट हैपन्स आफ्टर नो हैंड्स were raised. देखो, no hands were raised. The magician appeared to remove his head and crowd wild with delight. As silence slowly he returned, and magician said, "Majesty, I hope you have enjoyed my performance." And then he said, "With your permission, he would like to challenge anyone in his court to equal the feats he has performed today." तो किंग ने कहा, said the king, they turned and see whether anybody would take up the challenge, but no hands were raised and no voice were heard. ये था आंसर नंबर 4। और उसके आगे 1-2 लाइन ऐड करना है। ये, after a last and most difficult trick in this program, which the magician appeared to remove his head, but he challenged to equal feats he has, but the king assumed that no one has raised their hands. ये लाइन उसके पहले ऐड करना चाहिए। तो ये रेफरेंस कॉन्सेप्ट का जो क्वेश्चन है ये भी, और सब्जेक्टिव जो क्वेश्चन आंसर है ये भी हमने आज बोल दिया। अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो मुझको क्वेश्चन करके पूछ लेना। सो आफ्टर दिस, थैंक यू।